In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can retrieve deleted text messages on an iPhone 7 Plus. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up the Messages app on your iPhone 7 Plus, and once you're inside, go ahead and select the three lines up in the top right corner or the three dots up there, and then select Recently Deleted. This is going to take you to a page that looks like this, and if your messages were deleted within the last 30 days, you can recover them directly from this screen. Now, if the messages aren't showing up here, or it's been over 30 days, you do still have another option using iCloud. So go ahead and back out of the Messages app, open up your Settings app, and then go ahead and select on your name up at the very top, scroll down a little bit, and select iCloud and wait for the page to load, and then from here, go ahead and select Messages. Essentially, make sure that this option that says Use on this iPhone is turned on, and with this option enabled, your text messages are now going to be synced and stored in iCloud, meaning that even if messages are permanently removed from recently deleted, they may still be available in your iCloud data. To check them, just open up any web browser. Open up any web browser and go to iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID to view all those saved messages. But that is it. That is how you can view your deleted text messages here on an iPhone 7 Plus. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.